Hey, I'm Ben, I'm a software designer, and welcome to ALPAKA Labs. We've partnered with RMIT to bring 4 aspiring design students to bring their bag ideas to life. We've provided the students with everything they need: fabrics, hardware, and expert guidance. And here are their stories.
Hi, my name is Marina Hanatoputri and this is my Nova bag. So 2 weeks ago, I finally finished my project at ALPAKA Labs. And this is the final prototype that I had. The environment of the ALPAKA Lab itself, it's very raw in a way. There's the materials laying there, you can see it, but they also have the finished products here and you get to look around, see the inside, see how the seams go. After studying this course, I start paying attention to all of the bags I have at home. And I can just start seeing every single detail on how I can make my bag possible. So this is the Nova bag. When I get to see everything come along, and when Ben did a prototype on one of the tote bags of ALPAKA, it was a different experience for sure, especially with the sewing machine. We don't get to see the industrial machine on a daily, so to get to see it and see it being used was something very exciting for me. This course definitely pushed me through and got me to explore things that I didn't get to explore before.
Hi, I'm Zach and I designed the Scout backpack. This is the Scout backpack. It's a hiking backpack. Going into this project, I didn't have much experience in the soft goods industry. Yeah, it's quite a daunting task putting a whole bag together when you haven't had much experience. So there's a front zipper, which is my big point of difference between most other hiking backpacks. Working with ALPAKA meant we were given materials that we wouldn't have access to as a regular student. Got extra storage up here and the whole main compartment as well. And to close, you just roll and clip. After these 2 weeks, I've learned a lot.
Hi, I'm Iris and I'm the designer of the Rotto bag. When we first came in, I had a rough idea what I wanted my bag to be like, but not exactly. So when we got to come in and we saw the rolls material laid out with all the different hardwares and mechanisms, the idea clicked for me suddenly. Loved walking in and seeing the big industrial sewing machines. They're very different to the small domestic one I have at home. So just seeing how powerful and how much hardware and material they could sew through was really interesting.
Hi, my name is Wei Zhuang, and this is the messenger bag I've designed. This is the Fusion Messenger. It gives you quick access to a laptop. The inside is different dividers for the gears such as cameras. ALPAKA Lab helped me bring this alive.
It's really great to be able to give these opportunities in school to make things a bit more interesting for us students and learn more about the industry and how it's run in real life.
This was a very unique course and we got more hands-on industry style experience and actually learned what it's like to be a designer, what it's like to come to these spaces. It was really incredible, nothing like I've ever done before.
Big thanks to ALPAKA Labs for allowing me to experience all this.
Yeah, I just want to say a big thank you to ALPAKA.
A very big thank you to ALPAKA Labs.
A big thank you to ALPAKA Labs.